Hey everyone, today what we're going to be doing is fixing a broken LCD on a Toshiba satellite laptop. As you can see here, it has some water damage, creating a few weird lines on the screen. So what we're going to grab is micro Phillips screwdriver for 2 screws here at the bottom, and your replacement LCD screen, which we have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. What you want to go do next is turn this thing around and pop out your battery just to be safe. There we are. Now there's no power going to the laptop itself. I'm going to take the screwdriver, pop off those 2 screws. You want to keep those close because you're going to need them afterwards when you put the new screen back on. Now once you've taken out the 2 screws, the bezel comes off pretty easily just by cracking it off. Sometimes you're going to need to pry it off. There you go. And that's pretty easy. Just make sure you don't rip it off the hinges here. As you can see, here's our damaged LCD. Now in behind here, it's just one simple connection. 40-pin connector, comes out easily like that. There we have it, our old LCD. Put that aside for now. Now I like to use something here just so you don't damage the new screen. Off the tape here, front end. Put that aside. And as you can see, our connections are already made here for us. What to do is pop that back in. Make the connection. Stick your wire back on here carefully. Connection made. That easy. Go ahead, pop everything back on. As soon as you got the bezel back on, go ahead and take your screws. Go ahead and install your battery back on. Oops. There you go. And it should be all good to go. There we are. Brand new screen. Easy as that.